my YouTube channel. I hope that your viewing will give you a blessing of knowledge and wisdom. Hello there! This is Victoria again. Now I'm going to teach you a recipe for refried beans in a spicy jalapeno. This is in collaboration with my daughter, who helped me pick the ingredients which we prepared for a dozen of people. But first of all, please don't forget to like and to hit that subscribe button down there. After being boiled and then mashed, the beans are being fried and baked into a paste. The beans are actually being fried only once, so the term refried is actually misleading. They are refritos, not fried again as you might assume, but it is indicating that it's well fried. Refried beans is a dish of cooked and mashed beans and is a traditional staple food of Mexicans. It's also popular in many Latin American countries. And jalapeno is the popular medium chili pepper to spice up the refried beans. Okay, these are the complete list of our ingredients. Here I have the ready-made refried beans in spicy jalapeno, 900 grams. Now, if you cannot find that in the market, you can purchase it online. You know, refried beans are often served as a side dish accompanying a larger meal or rolled in a tortilla. It's a popular dip for corn tortilla chips and main ingredient for tostada, chimichanga, and pupusa. And for this recipe, we're going to use taco shells. For our ingredient, we also have 9 pieces of bacon, grated cheese 240 grams, lard or cooking oil 1/2 cup, garlic 5 cloves, onions 2 medium size, and we have green onions, bell pepper, pineapple 230 grams, lettuce, and salt. Now let's heat the oil on the pan. Let's fry the bacon in oil, sliced in square inch. Let's saute the garlic together with the bacon. Then, let's put now the onions. Now, let's put on the refried beans and mix it nice and good. Okay, now it's time to put the bell pepper and then the green onions. It's about time to put the cheese now. Then, we put the pineapple tidbits. And finally, we gradually put the salt according to our taste. Okay, let's have a taste. So as you see, we prepared the refried beans with a lot of oil, salt, and a lot of cheese. So what's the health benefit of the refried beans? But do you know that refried beans is very nutritious if prepared without saturated fat or a lot of salt? I hope you guys will try this. Everyone will love it.